Now your workflow creates a Google Doc and it logs every run to Sheets. But you or the researcher has no idea any of this happened. This episode is going to close that loop. We're adding Gmail so the researcher gets an email with their name, their topic, a summary snippet, and a direct link to their doc. When this node is done, you'll have a complete working AI research assistant. Form to email. Version 1 ships today. Now, last episode, you built two outputs, a Google Doc with the research summary and a Google Sheets row with the topic, date, and doc link. The Gmail node needs three things from your existing workflow: the researcher's name from our set node, the doc link from the Google Docs node, and the summary from Claude. We're not starting from scratch. We're going to pull the data that already exists in the workflow and packaging that up into an email. One node, three fields, and then we'll test the entire system from end to end. So we're going to add a node right after our append sheet node. So we're going to click the plus icon there, and I'm going to type in Gmail. Go ahead and select that. And we're looking to send a message. So here I've already got my credentials set. Resource is a message. The operation is send. And then here we place an email address that we want this to send to. In my case, I'm going to send it to my email address. Now we set up these dynamic fields. So for the subject line, using an expression here, your research on, and then pulling in the defined research topic field is ready. Email type, we want to use HTML. There is a text option, but we're going to use HTML. So for the message field, we're going to use an expression. Pop that open. So it says hi, and then we're bringing in the defined research topic. It says your research on, and then it's going to give that topic is ready. Here's a quick preview, and we've set it up so it gives the first 200 characters of that Claude research summary output. And then we've got to read the full summary here, and it's going to go ahead and place that link, and you can see the result of what that's going to look like here. So now we're going to test this out. Go ahead and click execute step. And I'm going to go check my Gmail, and there we go. Ken Jones, your research on AI healthcare is ready. Here's a preview. We'll go ahead and give this a click, and that takes us right to that document. So now we can test this out from start to finish. All right. So what I'm going to do here is click execute workflow, and it's looking for a research topic and a researcher name. So I'm going to say AI in the K through 12 classroom. Researcher name, Ken Jones, and click submit. And then we can watch the work happen. Perplexity, it's doing its research, extracted the content. Claude is now putting all that information together in a summary. Docs is creating a doc. That doc is being written to. The sheet is being updated. Workflow executed successfully. And I'm going to check my email again. And there we go. And here all I've got to do is select all that text, copy to the clipboard, right click, paste for Markdown, and we've got it. So everything connected as planned. This is the full loop. Researcher submits a form, your system researches, summarizes, documents, logs, and emails them. No manual steps after setup. Now, version 1 is complete, but the series is not done. We built 8 nodes over 7 episodes for one working system. This ain't a tutorial project. This is actually a tool that you can use now. Version 1 means it works. It doesn't mean it's done. Episode 8 starts to version 2. We're making this system smarter. You're going to upgrade the form to capture more context from your researcher. Then you're going to trace exactly which nodes need to change and why. That's how real systems actually evolve. You don't start from zero, you just iterate on top of what you already have. Now, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Episode 8 drops soon. I'm Ken Jones for I Technically Can. I will see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, forward to a friend.